Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your name in Twitch. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to your name, click on it, then just click here to settings, and right here you're gonna see username. And now you can see you may update your username, or you can also edit your display name. So what you want to do is when you get display name, you just want to change it, or username, just click here on the button and just write your password, verify. And now what you have to do, of course I'm not going to change my name, but you just change the username right here and then just press update. So again, you go to settings and change the username right here. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.